can smell that. Hey guys! Oh no! Woo!
He's lit it.
He's lit it.
Hi, random guy!
Oh, shall we throw our shoe at a firework and it's about lit? See what happens if it blasts the shoe up as well.
It blasts the shoe up as well?
Yeah. Then where we're landing, what's someone on
Shoe
here?
blew up.
He's lit another one. Why is he going over?
That looks
That's Oh, that one was good. That's good. Look, it goes like two up. It goes like circle one, then one, circle, circle one, circle one, circle one. That circle looks good though.
Oh.
Lucha, lucha, lucha. I think it's Kevin's mum. Did you see that ring in the sky? And literally the whole factory went up and everything was, the sky was like covered in fireworks. It looked sick. I lied, it was your mum, it weren't these nuts.
Okay.
Yeah, I lied.
Right.
In a minute I'm gonna fall backwards. Wait, I'm just
Could
gonna
find
wait
a
up.
record button then.
I'm just gonna wait up. There you go.
That was cool.
Oh, no, don't it look good anyway without the actual colours? Whoa!
Looks so much better in real life than actually on the camera.
Yeah, no.
On the viewfinder, it looks crap.